in Scratch. Let's choose the sprite princess. Let's reduce the size to 80. Let's choose the background jungle. Now let's one more character, Gobo. Gobo is turning this side, so let's change the flip and change it. Now let's go with the princess. Let's choose when green flag clicked. Say hello for 2 seconds. Then Gobo's turn now. Gobo also same when green flag set. Say hi. Now let's run it. Both are saying at the same time. So we need to wait. After princess speak, then Gobo. Then we have to wait 2 seconds. Wait 2 seconds. Then say hi. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. After that, now princess again will say, let's go to the city. Hello. Hi. Let's go to the city. Now again you can wait 2 seconds here. Then let's see. Hello. City. After this, change the backdrop to city. So looks switch backdrop to city. I can see hello. I let's go to the city. Then switch backdrop to one green flag click. It should be the jungle. I can see hello. Hi. Wait 2 seconds we need to do so that it will read hello. Hi. Let's go to the city. City. Now we want one more character to appear here, so we will write which character to choose. People. Yeah, let's see. Okay, let's reduce the size to 80. Now Giga appear. We want to appear and disappear Giga. So when backdrop switches to jungle, looks hide Giga. When backdrop switches to city, then show Giga. So this will hide and show the characters. The character is not here. City. Now Bobo is here and Bobo will say something. So for that, we have another one more method to broadcast the message. So broadcast message will do. And when Giga receive message, he will say welcome for 2 seconds. Welcome. Hello. Hi. Let's go to the city. Welcome. And after that, now when Giga will again broadcast the message, broadcast message now two. So new message will do and message two. Broadcast message two, and when Gogo receives that message two, then he'll say, I like this city very much. So now this is how we create a story in Scratch. Thank you.